Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to cut videos in VLC Media Player. So first of all, launch open VLC Media Player. You can see over here I have already opened it. Now simply open the media that you want to cut. Click on the option media. Click on the option open file. Now simply select the media that you want to cut. Go to the destination. Click on the video, click on the open option. Now you can see over here VLC Media Player has been opened. In VLC Media Player, you'll not be able to find the features like in other editing softwares, but there is a technique to cut the video. For that, what you have to do is click on the view option. Now make sure to click on this option, advanced controls. Now in order to cut the video, first of all, go to the part of video till which you want to cut. You can simply drag it like this. Now for example, I want to cut the video till 22 seconds. Simply move the dragger over here. Now click on the record option. Now click on the play option. Once you reach to the part of the video from which you want to cut the rest of the video, simply pause the video and click on the recording option again. Now after doing that, click on this option that you can see on the screen to stop the playback. Now you can see over here the playback will be stopped. Now that video has been recorded. If you want to play it, click on the media option. Click on the option open file. Now go to the destination where your media are saved. In my case, they are in the video section. Now you can see over here that video has been saved. Simply click on that video, click on the open option. Now you can see over here that video has been cut. So like this, you'll be able to cut the video. So that is how you cut video in VLC Media Player. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.